Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly pound yen, I do think this is the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, then we are very likely in a overlapping corrective pattern, which potentially will last maybe 8 months, maybe a year or more, probably bringing us down to around the 178 level before it actually makes another attempt up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the question still is whether or not the wave A is finished and we're already going up for a wave B, which would be a crutch into the wave A, and then later on it goes down for wave C, which is definitely possible, or whether we're actually still in a wave A, which I still think is likely, just because I feel like this is too short to be a complete wave A based on the time scale that I'm seeing for the wave 4 projection, the wave 4 time projection, that is. So either way, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up is definitely impulsive. I kind of think it might even end up being one of those irregular ABC crutches I always talk about in my members area. It's basically just impulsive up wave A, 3 waves down wave B, a little teeny push up for a wave C, and then bam, right back into the downtrend. Technically, we still haven't broken structure to the upside yet, and technically the trend is still down on the daily time frame, and I still think it might end up going down again, probably making that 3, 4, and 5 of wave A of wave 4. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're all the way back up to these highs. Now, I had this locked as an ABC, but looking at it on the daily, I kind of feel like this might be all one trend for wave A. This is actually supposed to be 1, 2, 3 waves down for wave B, and this might even already be a wave C. If that's the case, it might even break this high a little bit and then turn back down and continue to downtrend like that. Either way, I mean, I'm still primarily looking for shorts. I mean, the trend is down on the daily. If we break and hold above this high, like with momentum, like nice strong move, then I definitely will turn back into a buyer. But for now, I am definitely looking for shorts. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we are back up at this previous high. So especially if we make like a double top right here, kind of like what happened right there, and then a nice impulsive move down and a break of structure, if I see that right there, that is exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it breaks and holds above this structure with momentum, then that definitely will turn me into a buyer at the end of the next pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. So as long as you pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.